welcome back to my channel. So for today I am finally doing a makeup tutorial. You guys, I did not realize that you guys actually wanted to see makeup tutorials from me. I don't know why I didn't think that, but I really didn't think so because I really don't think I'm that good at makeup. But you guys seem to want makeup tutorials from me, so I will definitely get those out more frequently. So I hope you guys like this look that I did today. Before I get into the video, I want to share with you guys a subscription box that I received. So I received a box from Pinch Me. And if you've never heard of Pinch Me is a company that sends its members free products to try out in exchange for their feedback. So like I said, it's free. You don't need a credit card or anything. Shipping is free, the products are free, everything is free. Which I think is really, really awesome. It's an awesome way to try out, you know, new things that you probably wouldn't otherwise try out. So I'm just going to open up my box on camera and share with you guys what I got. So this is what mine is looking like so far. So on top I just have a little welcome card. So I'll have my referral link down below if you want to check them out. But I'm just going to go ahead and dive into my box. So right on top I see you have some RX, I guess, nut butter. And this is almond butter. And y'all, I love almond butter. Like, ever since I discovered it, I haven't touched peanut butter. Oh my god. So I will definitely be trying this. Next thing is some Skittles. I don't eat candy at all, so I will give these to my little sister. Next thing is Bag Balm Skin Moisturizer. You know, I got dry skin and it's the winter time, so I'm definitely going to be using this. Ooh. Moroccan oil. The Moroccan oil treatment. Yeah, I really love this brand. I used to use this brand a lot before I started like actually wearing my natural hair. I wore this, I used this brand a lot when my hair was always like straightened. And I love this stuff, so I will definitely be using it. Because I do plan on getting my hair straightened within the next like month or two. So definitely be using this. Next thing I'm seeing is from Eva, maybe. NYC Main Magic 10-in-1 Primer. Oh, so it's for your hair. And it has argan oil and sunflower seed oil. Cool. Next thing is from, I guess it's from Native is the brand. I don't know. And it's some deodorant. It's a little small deodorant. This would be really cute to just like throw in your purse. So yeah. Next thing, this looks like some food. Oh no, this is some medium dark roast coffee. I don't really know how you make this, y'all. I have a Keurig, but I'm gonna still use this because I definitely drink coffee. Next thing is from Biore, and it's charcoal cleansing micellar water. I've been wanting to try micellar water. So now I can try it. And the last thing I think that's in here, yep, are these from Compeed, I guess is the brand. And there are blister cushions. I never have blisters on my feet, so don't need them. But if I ever do, then here we go. So yeah, I think this box is really, really cool. Like, it's always some stuff in there that I can definitely use. The only thing that I probably wouldn't use are the things for your feet and then the Skittles. But everything else I can get some use out of. And I think I'm most excited about the almond butter and this micellar water. Like I said, my referral link and whatnot will be down below in the description box. And I don't want this intro to be too long because I feel like it already is. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video.
Somebody tell me the answer. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt? think about you and you know. Only hit me up when she's not home, and that's why I can't be calm. We could have been, and we try to pretend, and now and again we don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. I'm holding it in, 'cause I know in the end we dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been. We could have. said I'm bouncing on like whoa, bouncing on like whoa. This is not a fairy tale, I already know that's how you like it. Take me to the mall just to buy me a new outfit. Boy, that's just some child's play, I'm bouncing on like whoa, whoa, whoa. Heard all of the stories about you, I already know that's how you like it. Take me to the mall, baby, just to keep me silent. Bouncing on, bouncing on, bouncing on like whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, yeah, bouncing on like whoa, whoa, whoa. Why I gotta fight with you with cheesecake? I know you let her go there, but you won't get the point, baby, when we out nowhere else. I don't give a damn about these families, we need help. Focusing on them when you should focus on yourself. Yeah, I'm wild and I'm acting childish. I take your whip, I'll ride it freely in your Bugatti. I purposely put on a mileage. I know you see